not getting the traction only. It's 4-wheel, it's a truck. Yeah, moving. 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 Today only move. Move today only. Hello everyone, welcome to the new vlog. आज का vlog है the heaviest snowfall ever I have received in my life. तो पहले हम लोग ऊपर अपार्टमेंट में रहते थे, अभी घर में शिफ्ट। ओके, गेट खुल भी नहीं रहा है, गेट खुल भी नहीं रहा है। गेट खुल गया, गेट खुल गया। I'll show you. Oh my god, look at this. Here we go. Oh oh my god. Basically, here there is no snow and you can see the height of the snow. So the height, कितना snow है? Zayed is doing cleaning his driveway. Oh, have to go slowly, slowly. Oh my god. Look at this. Bhai, कितना snow. Oh my god. She is well.
I know you want to do it.
कितना बर्फ. This is too much. Oh my god. Look at it, look at it. कुछ नहीं. Just because it's a truck ये चला गया उधर. वरना this it's not possible to drive in this. वाह, क्या है ये? This is going to backyard. Can you see? This is the height of AC and see the height. Oh. Oh my god. What? ये भी ठीक नहीं है. क्लीन कर देते हैं. God, look at this. Oh, Papa. Oh, फेस कवरिंग भी पहनना चाहिए. There are neighbors and then there are godly neighbors. He's my neighbor.
And if I put it, then it will go on the driveway, it'll be more. Okay, I'll pile everything on this side. Once I make a way,
Look at this beast. Oh, somebody's already coming. Oh my god. Look at this beast. Move, don't let. भाई क्या है ये? Wow. Oh, dancing also. Okay, so now in the middle of the road. ये road है. Oh yay! It went. Yes, it went. Superb. भाई कहाँ थी कहाँ चली गई? Your hard work gives you your home, but a biggest luck and the God again gives you
Good neighbor.
good neighbor.
No problem.
See,
Okay.
the best neighbor I ever had till now.
I have nothing else to do. It's okay.
Still, there are many neighbors, right, who have nothing else to do. Still, they don't help. But yeah, oh my God. Again, I will surprise him. I don't know how, but I will surprise him.
Yeah, okay.
There will be revenge. Tit for tat.
No.
The worst snowstorm I have ever faced in my life. Till now, I have been living in apartments, so I don't know this part. My God, see the height.
Yeah, you're only able to do this by shovel.
Oh, this is impossible. Though no way.
No matter what.
It's impossible to do it with shovel.
I hope they clear the road because I'm not gonna go to work tomorrow.
Obviously, this doesn't get cleared in one day.
No, they should grade this today.
Oh yeah, the road, yes, the main road, yes.
Yeah.
Oh my God, see his truck. If I show you, see, half of it is in snow. My God, how you will go? Okay, sir. Thank you so much. See you
Next snowfall.
until next snowfall. The small ones I can take care of. These ones. This is a gas-powered machine.
This is a good one.
Yeah. So that forklift guy started with $40. That we clean is 40. Then she asked 20. He said okay 20. Then she said I only have 15 in my purse. He's okay. Okay, I'm okay with 15. So he's cleaning for $15.